Hi everyone, this is K. Vamshi from ECD section and my roll number is 20951A04M7. Today I am going to discuss about the functional arguments and positional arguments. Let us see what is meant by functions in Python and how many types included functions in Python. Here you can see the definition of function. A function is a block of organized reusable code that is used to perform a single and related action. Function provide better modularity for the application. Function provide a high degree of code reusing. Means it can be like a function is a collection of sentence which is used to different types of inputs. Like we can avoid repetition of a code for certain input of task. And let me see the function syntax, how to write functions in Python. It starts with the def keyword, which means a define, and further function name and parenthesis. In the parenthesis we are going to input different types of arguments, and down to it statements, and last returns the value result of a above statements. And it is a functions how to pass a arguments to a function. It is a two type, pass by value or pass by reference. Coming to the pass by value, functions create a copy of variable, passes to it as an argument. The actual object is not affected. Object is of immutable type because immutable objects cannot be modified. And coming to the pass by reference, the actual object is passed to the call function. All the changes made to the object inside the function effect is original value. Object is mutable type, as mutable objects can be changed. The passed objects are updated. Here you can see the immutable arguments and mutable arguments. Let me see the immutable arguments in the Python or function. It is an example of immutable arguments. Let me see. New memory address of A inside the function, and actual variable A is not changed. And coming to the mutable arguments, value of list is changed after function call, address is same. So these two are the example for the immutable arguments and mutable arguments. Let me see what are the types of functions in Python. There are four types of default argument, variable argument, and positional argument, and keyword argument. Today we are going to discuss about the positional arguments. It also called as required arguments. Positional arguments. An argument is a variable, value, or object passed to a function or method as input. Positional arguments are the arguments that need to included in the proper position or order. The first positional argument always need to be listed first when the function is called. The second positional argument needs to be listed second, and the third positional argument listed third, etc. While it goes on. An example for a positional argument can be seen in Python complex function. We know that complex function is a mathematical function. This function returns a complex number with a real term and imaginary term. The order that numbers are passed to a complex function determines which number is real term and which number is a imaginary term. The complex number 3 plus 5j is created. The positional arguments are the numbers 3 and 5. As positional arguments, 3 must be listed first and 5 must be listed second. We can see the example of it. In one complex of 3 comma 5, we get output as 3 plus 5j. On the other hand, the complex number 5 plus 3j needs to be created. The 5 needs to be listed first and the 3 listed second. Writing the same arguments in the different order produce a different result. So here you can see the different complex number from the first. Output of the second is 5 plus 3j. Here we changed the positions of the real number and imaginary number that is defined by a positional arguments. Positional arguments specified by an iterable. Positional arguments can also be passed to a function using an iterable object. Examples of iterable objects in Python include list and tuple. The general syntax to use is positional arguments specified by iterable. Positional can also be passed to a function using a iterable object. Examples of iterable objects in Python include list and tuple. The general syntax to use is functions iterable, where function is the name of the function and the iterable is the name of the iterable preceded by the abstract character. An example of using a list to pass positional elements to the complex function is below. Note the abstract character is included before the term list argument. In example 3, term list equal to list of 3, 5 and complex of abstract in term list output 3. So here also you can see the another example for the positional arguments required. It is also known as, we know that it is also known as required arguments. Required arguments are the argument passed to a function in correct positional order. Define print me string. This prints as a passer string. Print string return. Print me. It returns the value of a string. Now this would be produce following result. Trace back most call recent call list file test by. It is a type of error where it is a unnecessary code which was given to the required argument. So now we have seen that what is functions and how many types of functions included in Python, and mainly what is positional or required arguments. So I think you understand about the positional arguments in Python. So thank you all. Have a nice day.